Today we start our parts of speech unit. This is our last unit for the semester, and it's a fairly easy one. A lot of this you've probably known since 3rd grade, but it never hurts to review it or to look over it, again, and also learn a few more things about the parts of speech. Today we're going to start with nouns, which are, pretty basic. I'm looking at page 294 in your online textbook, or that's the green book in the classroom. We're going to take a look at nouns. And you can see in the yellow highlight, it says that a noun is the part of speech that names a person, place, thing, or idea. And below that, it gives examples of how to classify nouns into those 4 categories. So you can see a person could be Uncle Mike, neighbor, girls, Bob, swimmer, Ms. Yang, or Captain Smith. A place can be a building or the specific name of a place, like library or Dallas, garden, kitchen, city, James River, canyon, or Oklahoma. And now here the book puts the word thing and it lists it into several different categories within itself. We've been teaching it, since probably you've been in grade school, that a noun is 4 categories: person, place, thing, or idea. This book lists the idea, or those invisible things that we can't see but we know are nouns. They list them as things, but we have to know that it's okay that we have an idea out there. So here you see your list of visible things. We can actually touch those or see them, like a chair or the school or the duck. But ideas are also nouns, the idea of independence or freedom. Also, actions like work or competition, those are things, and those are considered nouns. Same thing with conditions or emotions and qualities that we find in people. So you see the conditions such as sadness or excitement or happiness. Those are all considered nouns. And also take a look at qualities. You can think of those, characteristics, traits: kindness, patience, ability, intelligence. Those are all nouns. Now, taking a look at what you should have in your notes, I'm going to flip over to my chart and I'm going to show you what you should be getting from this information at this time. So what I'm doing is I'm using an outline format, and I'm starting with the Roman numeral 1. You can see up here I use the letter I, Roman numeral 1, nouns. So from the page I've said, number 1, we learned that a noun is a part of speech, names a person, place, thing, or idea. And then I list A, B, C, listing the person, place, thing. So I gave examples of a person, I've given an example of place, and then I gave the definition of thing, because it includes visible things like that chair or table or the duck, but it also includes those ideas, actions, qualities, and conditions.